When it comes to home security, the first line of defense is often the entry door. Taylor Homes, known for their quality construction and commitment to customer satisfaction, understand the importance of a secure home. Door replacement not only adds aesthetic value to a property but significantly enhances its safety and security. Here's how upgrading your doors can transform your Taylor home into a fortress of comfort and protection. The vulnerability of old or outdated doors. Older doors can become a liability over time. Wear and tear, outdated materials, or inferior construction methods can compromise their structural integrity. Common issues include warping and cracking. Wood doors, especially older ones, are prone to warping and cracking, making them easier to breach. Weak locks. Outdated locking mechanisms are easier to pick or force open. Poor fit. Gaps between the door and its frame not only let in drafts but can also be exploited by intruders. Replacing such doors is not just a matter of aesthetics, it's a proactive step toward enhanced home security. Modern door materials for maximum security. Today's door replacement options offer advanced materials that combine strength with durability. Here are some popular choices that enhance security. Steel doors. Steel doors are a top choice for security-focused homeowners. These doors are resistant to physical force and are often paired with insulated cores for energy efficiency. Their robust construction makes them nearly impossible to breach. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors offer the perfect balance between strength and style. They are resistant to cracking, splitting, and warping, making them ideal for harsh weather conditions. Reinforced with steel or other strong materials, they provide excellent security. Solid wood doors. While traditional, solid wood doors remain a viable option for security when paired with modern locking systems. Hardwoods like oak or mahogany provide natural strength and durability. Enhanced security features in modern doors. Modern door replacement options for Taylor homes come with features that significantly boost home security. Multi-point locking systems. Unlike standard locks, multi-point systems engage at multiple points along the door frame, making it difficult for intruders to force the door open. Impact-resistant glass. For doors with glass panels, impact-resistant or laminated glass adds an extra layer of protection. These materials are designed to withstand attempts to break through. Smart locks. Smart locks allow homeowners to control access remotely, offering convenience and enhanced security. Many smart locks can be integrated with security systems for real-time monitoring. Reinforced frames. A door is only as strong as its frame. Modern door replacements include reinforced frames that resist bending or breaking. Energy efficiency and security. A winning combination. Replacing your door not only improves security but also enhances energy efficiency. Modern doors are designed to seal tightly, eliminating drafts and reducing energy bills. For Taylor homes, this means a more sustainable living environment without compromising safety. Customization for style and security. Door replacements for Taylor homes don't sacrifice style for security. Homeowners can choose from a wide range of designs, finishes, and hardware options that complement their home's aesthetic while providing peace of mind. Custom finishes. From sleek modern designs to traditional wood grain finishes, there's something for every taste. Decorative hardware. Choose from a variety of knobs, handles, and hinges that blend beauty with functionality. Glass inserts. Secure, decorative glass inserts add character to your home without compromising safety. Protecting your investment. Replacing your door is not just about securing your home, it's about protecting your investment. A secure home deters break-ins, protecting valuables and ensuring the safety of your family. Additionally, upgraded doors can increase your home's resale value by improving curb appeal and providing a modern, secure entry point. A safer future with Taylor Homes. At Taylor Homes, customer satisfaction and safety are paramount. Door replacement is a straightforward yet highly effective way to enhance your home's security. Whether you're looking to fortify your main entry, patio, or garage doors, modern options provide the strength, durability, and style you need. Investing in a high-quality door replacement today means enjoying peace of mind and security for years to come. Upgrade your Taylor Homes doors to ensure your sanctuary remains safe, stylish, and comfortable. Your family deserves nothing less.